Hey guys, how are you doing? Happy Sunday. So I seasoned this chicken from yesterday and now I'm gonna decide to put it in the oven for it to bake. So yes, I'm gonna be having some baked chicken today. There it is, y'all. Look at all this seasoning. Oops. Okay, so I just take it out the oven. I'm gonna put it back in, but this time I'm gonna put it back in the oven uncovered. But so far so good. It's looking real nice. Washing my pineapple so I can make this drink or juice, whichever you want to call it. So yeah. Alrighty, so I'm just giving this pineapple a good wash because I will be using the skin, which you will be seeing in a few minutes, okay? So I put the pineapple in the pot. Once it comes to a boil, I turn it off and let it stay and steam. Alright, this is the rice. It is finished. Now I'm going to move on to the vegetable. Alright guys, so I'm about to do the vegetable. I do have some onion that I have cut up over here. I'm going to put those in the pot so they can so I'm going to saute this just a little bit. All this is just onion with a little bit of oil, not a lot of oil. Don't want them to burn or anything. I'm just sauteing it a little bit. Alright. Now I'm gonna add together. So this is bok choy and carrot. Alright, so these are the seasoning that I will be adding. A little garlic powder, a little Mrs. Dash, and some seasoned salt. I'm going to go ahead and turn the stove down. I'm going to put it on low. And then I'm going to cover it and let it steam for a little bit. And then I'll come, and stir it a little bit just to get everything cooking even and all the way through. But that's it, y'all. Let me go ahead and get this pot covered so we can cook. Alrighty, after a few minutes, I decided to go ahead and start. I did put a little piece of butter in there, so just a little vegetable, y'all, just a little bit. I'm gonna give it another minute or two, and then I'm just gonna turn the stove off. Okay, so let's go ahead and cover this back. Alrighty guys, it's about that time, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off. Boy, I tell you, you buy a big head of bok choy and you know, it shrink down to nothing. Now, give it a last final stir. The stove is off, and this is it. So we have that, we have the rice, and we have the chicken over there. And I'm just about ready to plate. Alrighty, so the final piece to the puzzle, okay, is the drink. So I saw someone make this drink online and I decided to try it. Reason being, I don't like to eat cucumber at all. I don't eat pickle also. So I'm like, well, if I can get what I need to get from it out of the drink, then yeah. So we have pine right here, cucumber, and ginger. And this is the water from the skin of the pineapple. What I did was, you saw me earlier, boiled it. Well, once it comes to a boil, I turn it off and, you know, let it stay there and finish steam. So I'm going to use this to make the juice. So let's go ahead. Let's put the top on. Let's get it on here. Have it lock. Set, and then I'm gonna continue with the rest. What you guys just saw me do was go ahead and add some sugar. Sometimes I do like to add it while I'm blending. Sometimes I don't. Whichever way you do it, don't really matter. And then I just go ahead and strain it, and then I can taste if it needs more sugar or not. Alright, so I finished sweetening it and straining it. I got a cup with a 2-piece of ice in there. So I can taste to see if it need any more sugar or anything, you know. First taste. Let me go ahead and taste again. Yeah, I think I might need to go back for a third time. Yeah, I gotta get all that flavor. Yeah, I think I can taste all that flavor now. Listen, the juicier bad for real tastes good. I'm gonna find her Facebook page and I'm gonna leave her a nice good comment. Trust me, this tastes good. Y'all need to try it. So anyway, guys, it's starting to rain, and I definitely have to go on the road to take my husband dinner to him. So anyway, guys, have a blessed Sunday. It was nice chilling and hanging with you guys. Be safe on the road. Be safe out there. And remember to like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below. Alrighty.